On November 27, 1940 in New York, a husband and wife had a dinner at the Stork Club. A photographer asked them if they would mind having a photo taken of them. The men replied, "Not at all, but it's last picture you will take of us, because tomorrow I am going away for a long, long time." Both the wife and the photographer looked at the husband puzzled. The same men some 50 years earlier, then a 15-year-old boy in Boston, earned his living by day trading. He got so good at it that the trading facilities in the city eventually had to bar him, as he was pricking away their profits, trade by trade. At 30 in 1907, he earned $1 million in a single day, while Wall Street was in complete despair. He was asked by none other than J.P. Morgan himself to stop selling the market short, and both in between, and after this, he went complete broke a couple of times. The story of Jesse Livermore through the stock market investing. Chapter number 1. Story about Jesse Livermore. This is a story of Jesse Livermore. I hope you like it.